Hi student, welcome to Nice Math Olympiad problem. In this problem, we are finding value of a. Our 6 into a plus 6 into a is equal to 600, and find the value of a in this. We are solving this. Don't skip any part of video. The mid of video is so much interesting. We are solving the first step is 6 into power a into we add our power 1 plus 1. Quantity of powers 1 plus 1 is equal to 600. Now 6 into a into 1 plus 1 is also 2 is equal to 600. Divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2. This divided by 2. This 2 cut by this. This cut by this remain 300. Here remain 6 into a. So we get 6 into a is equal to 300. This is our value, and now we solve this using logarithm. Using log both sides. After using log, we get log of 6a is equal to log of 300. Now in this step we are using the formula right now. Log of m into n is equal to n log of m. This is our formula, and now we are using this formula in this equation. After using this, we get a log of 6 is equal to log of 300, and now divide both sides by log of 6. So in this log of 6 cut by this remain a is equal to log of 300 divided by log of 6. Now we solving this 300. Now 6 into 50, we use this replaced by 300. A is equal to log of 6 into 50 divided by log of 6. Now we use this formula. Log of a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. After using this formula, a is equal to log of 6 plus log of 50 divided by log of 6. A is equal to log of 6 divided by log of 6 plus log of 50 divided by log of 6. Now this log of 6 cut by this, given a is equal to 1 plus log of 50 divided by log of 6. Now we solve the log of 50. First, a is equal to 1 plus log of this 50 is also 2 into 5 square. 5 square is also 25. 25 into 2 is also 50. 2 into 5 square is 50. Divide by, as we know that 6 is also equal to 2 multiplied by 3. 2 into 3 is also 6. Now a is equal to 1 plus log of this 2 plus log of 5 square divided by log of 2 plus log of 3. a is equal to 1 plus log of 2 plus 2 log of 5 divided by log of 2 plus log of this 3. In this video, we are solving now this log of 2, this 2 log of 5. A is equal to 1 plus, as we noted, log of 2 is approximately equal to 0.301. We write 0.301 plus this 2 remains same, 2 into, as we noted, the log of 5 is also approximately equal to 0.699. 2 into 0.699. This will be 0.301 plus 0.477. So A is equal to 1 plus 0.301 plus 2 into this 2 multiplied by 0.699, we get value 1 into 398. So this is very interesting part. 0.301 plus 0.477. After calculation, we get value 0.708. Now we write A is equal to 1 plus 1 point. After adding this, 1.699 divided by 0.708. After dividing this, we get A is equal to 1 plus 2 into 184. And this will be 1 plus 2 into 184 is also equal to 1. A is equal to 3 into 184. This is our answer of this mathematical problem. Now we're checking this. Now we are verifying this. 6 into A plus 6 into A is equal to 600 is our question. We are finding the value of A. Our value of A is 3.184. Now we are checking A is equal or not. 6 into 3.184 plus 6 into 3.184 is equal to 600. Now 6 into 3.184 is also equal to 300 plus this also equal to 300, that is equal to 600, and 300 plus 300 also 600 is equal to 600. Our left hand side is also equal to right hand side. Now our answer is verified and our A value of A is 3.184. Thank you for watching video and subscribe for more Olympiad math program. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Goodbye.